Hello, good morning everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And today we are going to be pulling, I already opened the box. Let me close the box again so everything doesn't fall out. Eek. Okay. We are on day 2 of the 12 days of Stitchmas. And if you recall yesterday, day 1, we got that wonderful set of DMC thread and the 8 o'clock and the needles. So let's dig through here. And again, the boxes look like this with the stuff all over in it. And we dig through and we find, oh, here it is, day 2. Day 2. It's another blue one. I thought maybe it'd be a different color. Close this. So there's our day 2 that we'll open. Let's get our tea going. Our tea assortment. And we are just reaching in and grabbing one. Oh, it's getting a little thin. Okay. Oh, another yellow one. India's original. India's original. Traditional Indian masala chai recipe. Chai tea. Oh, I love chai tea. I think I'm going to like this one. Oh. It says, packed at the source with love, care, and passion. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. I really like chai tea. Okay, let's put that in the tea hot tub. I don't know why I think that's so funny. I just do. Easily amused, I guess. Okay, that's gonna soak. And oh yeah, oh, it already smells heavenly. And it just started. Okay, let's look at our package. So day 2, and this of course is the Bothy Threads. Bothy Threads 12 Days of Christmas box. I love Bothy Threads. Let's see here. Okay, here's the front. And I am not worried about trying to save these packages because these are not going to get reused. But let's get that sticker off of there. Day 2. It's pretty solid feeling. I never was good at figuring out it almost feels like a little book. Maybe a date book? Or maybe a how-to book. Nope. It's papers folded. So this, I'm sure, is our pattern. Oh, this is a big pattern. Five golden rings. Okay. Welcome to our 12 Days of Christmas design. I think I'm just going to be doing another set of the 12 Days of Christmas. Wowza. So this is, we're going to be making a grid, it looks like. And we're going to be doing them in sections. Yep, that's exactly what we're doing. Another 12 Days of Christmas design. Well, is this cross stitch? Let me double check. Oh, 14 count. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Okay, I love 14 count. That number means that's how many stitches per inch. There's usually, and I've seen 12, but you don't see it very often. It's usually 14, 16, maybe 18, 22, 24, 30. I actually have a little project that somebody did on 32 count. Wow. Not me. Okay. So this is it. That's weird. I wonder why they would do 5 gold rings first. Maybe because of the location on the chart. I'll bet you that's it. So let's see here. Oh, and this is only half of them. Yeah. Is there another page? So we'll get the other half another day. Okay, so we've got sections There's 7A, 7B, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7A and 7B. So here, and the other thing, when you get a chart like this, sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. But when you've got a multi-page chart, they typically do. They're going to show you the exact center. Can you see that where it says center line? So they're going to show you the exact center of the project, because typically, and I know some people don't, but if you're doing the old style traditional type of cross stitch, you usually find the center of your fabric and you start there and you work out from the center. So they've got us starting right there at that center line, and we're gonna do this section first. So this is the 5 gold rings. I think. Maybe not. What do I know? So I'll take a look at this and pull out my fabric. I'm going to tell you right now, there is not a chance on earth that I'm going to be able to keep up with this on a daily basis, because cross stitch takes a long time. Now, it just happens that I have finished the cross stitch pattern that I was working on, and I have finished that tapestry one, the embroidery one. So in theory, I could start a project. I'm going to take this under advisement. So I can start this knowing I'm going to be behind the entire, yeah, I'm leaning towards starting it. I'm right now, I'm at a starting point for a new project. So maybe this will be it. Tell me what you guys think. Should I go ahead and get started on this as my next cross stitch project, rather than grabbing something else and getting started on it, or just working on my whips? So that's the question. Should I do this? Should I start this, or just keep working on my whips? And I can do both, but you know, once you start a new project, you know how that goes. All right, let me know down below. So we are doing the 12 days of Christmas, apparently. Alrighty, I'm not mad about it. I would have been way more excited if I hadn't just finished the other 12 days of Christmas, but I finished that. So I'm not behind. I need your opinions. I'm going to clip this here because I'm not going to be able to cram that back in the thing. And I'm going to look it over. I need to look it over. All right. That's day 2. And it was very much of a surprise. So we're going to set that right up here. And, oh, let's try our tea. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yeah. That's wonderful. Okay, what was that again? India's Original. It's just plain old basic chai tea. Love it, love it, love it. This is so good. I might go to this company and buy some of that. There was another one that I liked really, really well. What was it? It wasn't the turmeric ginger. I've saved all of the packages so I could go back and look at the flavors. Hated the hibiscus rose. The cardamom spice. I liked that one really well too. So I might have to find, maybe they've got I'll bet you they do. I bet they have a variety pack of the chai teas. I'm going to have to look into that. Okie dokie. That is it for today. Thank you so much for popping in. Please like, please subscribe, and please pass this on to somebody you think might enjoy it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow.